What was Maggie's condition prior to the surgery?
So Maggie's condition, she was in a fair amount of pain and a lot of discomfort, and she couldn't put weight on her hind leg. So with her breed, running and exercising was a huge component. So it was quite a challenge for her and for us as a family.
What made you ultimately decide to do the surgery?
Probably consulting with Rhett, her vet. Definitely, her well-being and longevity and quality of life was definitely the number one, but just our relationship with Rhett was definitely the deciding factor.
Tell me a little bit about when you picked her up and how the aftercare was for Maggie.
Yeah, so the aftercare was definitely challenging as a family. We spent the first 2 days in the living room just keeping her comfortable. It was nice knowing Rhett actually had left for a course out of town, and he actually followed up with us and answered questions that, we had a few concerns that turned out not to be concerns, but we were just being overprotective parents. So, just nice knowing that even though he wasn't working, he was still there for us.
Then tell me a little bit about when she started to, start getting up and about and trying to move around and how that went.
So that was actually quite challenging because her breed, she's so active. I would say it was around 3 weeks. She was starting to wanting to go, and we really had to keep her back and contained. So that was a challenge for us.
At what point did she start really getting more and more mobile like she is now?
I would say it was the 6-week mark, the 5 to 6 week. She's you couldn't tell. You couldn't tell at about 5-6 weeks that she had surgery.
What would you say to someone who was thinking about doing this?
Definitely the quality of the life for the animal. That's I'll be honest, we were a little unsure what was the best course of action. We heard some people say just leave it, but after consulting with Rhett, he advised us to do it, and we've always trusted him, and I think now this is very obvious that it was the right decision. So